Bud, get out of the road. Motherfucker.
Not again. Not again.
Feeling like New Zealand, charge it to the Amex. Gotta use that latex, or she living like a princess. They don't wake you up in private.
What's wrong with you, dumbass motherfucker, dude? What are you doing, dude?
Say it again, fuckface. Put
Dude.
your finger out at me again. You're doing 60 miles an hour. You're gonna kill somebody,
No,
you dumb.
I sped
You
up.
are a dumb fuck.
I sped up
Slow
because you
down.
pulled down in front of me.
Slow down.
You pulled out straight in front of me, bro.
You've gone too fast.
You pulled out straight in front of me.
Go slower.
I sped up to move around you.
Dumb fucking asshole.
Stupid ass motherfucker, swear to God.
Too many absences.
What the fuck is it?
What the hell? What the hell?
Holy fuck.
你叫啥来演啥的？我刚念到了还能什么？哦，我操 ！What the hell？
come in and get my food. I was at the front in the drive-thru lane.
fuck just happened? What happened?
I don't know what did you see?
I was just going straight in my lane, and then all of a sudden you were coming into me.
I'm so sorry. I thought I was in this lane.
Oh no.
I thought I was in the left lane.
No, it's this lane. Shoot.
Shit, I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I will try to get out of here.
Okay. Where do you want to meet up at? Are you drivable?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you got a flat tire.
Oh, I'm mangled.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me pull.
Wait.
Sorry.
Okay.
Let me pull forward.
That was a good save.